Welcome to the Baltimore Region Market Watch, brought to you by Real Estate Business Intelligence,
Kamara and Company.
Let's take a look at the most recent activity in the Baltimore region housing market, which includes these areas. The housing market was of at least two minds in March. Pending home sales and existing home prices were up quite sharply, and new home sales were up modestly. By contrast, inventory was flat and new home starts and permits both fell. The declines were at least partly due to bad weather, which probably also depressed job growth that came in much weaker than expected. That said, the recent weakness is probably short-lived, as it's likely due to a number of one-off events. As a result, expect economic growth in Q2 to be much stronger than it was in Q1. The Baltimore metro region's housing market closed the first quarter with another strong month. New pending contracts increased 20% from last March, the sixth consecutive month with double-digit gains. 3,861 new pending sales marked the highest total for any month in 9 years. Closed sales increased 24% to 2,532 sales, with gains of at least 19% in every county. Despite the significant gains in purchase activity, active inventory remains 8% higher than last year. There were 11,512 active listings at the end of the month, which is 4% lower than the 5-year average for March. So your average steady due to another month with more new listings entered than the previous year, a trend that began in April 2013. The 4,907 new listings added were 10% higher than the total last March and exceeded the 5-year March average by more than 400 listings. At $237,075, the median sale price gained a modest 1% compared to last March, though prices for non-distressed sales were up 5% to $270,000. Half the homes sold in March were on market for 50 days or more, 5 days higher than the median days on market last March. This marked the 16th consecutive month with a higher days on market than the previous year. With the sales gains seen in the first quarter of 2015, the spring season promises to be a very active housing market. Spring listings will take less time to sell than in the winter months, and sales pace and pricing levels will improve upon the marks seen in the first 3 months of the year. We are now entering the peak months of the calendar year. That's the Baltimore Market Watch for this month. Check back next month for the latest.